Visuals, audios, and experiential learning has the greatest impact on all the learners. Let us see how we can do this with myViewBoard. So the topic of discussion today is circles and fractions that we would learn using myViewBoard. Now to do that, let me move on to the next page. Now, to teach my learners circles and fractions, let me take an analogy or let me take an example. Supposingly, I have one pizza with me. So let me draw a pizza. Let me draw a circle by using shapes from the main toolbar. So I have a big pizza with me, and let me fill the color of this pizza as yellow. Oh, great. I have a great pizza with me. Now I'm all ready to eat this pizza, but there comes my brother who wants half of the pizza. So all I need to do is, let me convert it into half. I want this pizza into two parts now, into two portions now. Let me click on 2. So as you can see, now I have two portions of this pizza. Now, this one and the second one. Now, as I click here, so for example, this pink one, I decided to give it to my brother. So I have the yellow portion and my brother has the pink portion. So now what is the fraction or what is the part that each of us has? So let's take this example. So I had one pizza. Let me annotate it on the screen. I had one pizza with me, right? Which I had to divide it into half, right? So half of this I took, half of this my brother decided to take, right? And then I have one complete pizza with me. So isn't it great to learn fractions like this? Let's take one more example. Let's go on to the new page. Let us take the circle again. Now I have a pizza with me, but I have to divide it into 5 people, right? So let me quickly click on 5. So pizza is now divided into 5 people, right? Now, so the fraction would become 1 by 5 because here I have 5 portions of it. Now this one, apparently the third one, this portion is, it just fell down, right? So I don't need this, right? Let me remove this. So how many portions I am left with? I'm left with 1, 2, 3, and 4 because one portion is now is not for use. So let me change its color. This portion is not for use. So tell me quickly, what portion am I left with? So I want all of you to tell me what portion am I left with, right? So if I teach my students like this, I'm sure they're going to enjoy it a lot. Let's take one more example. Let me add another sheet. Add a circle, divide it into 8 quadrants. And because I want to teach my learners fractions, so I can quickly color them. So now let me ask my learners, what portion is, so for example, this pink color is something that we cannot use. So what portion of this is something that cannot be used? So the answer to this is 1, 2, 3. So I'll say 3 by the total one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 by 8 is something that cannot be used. And what all can be used? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 by 8 is something that can be used, and 3 by 8 is something that cannot be used. So adding examples like these make the sessions really interesting.